Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum all the viewers. Hope so everybody would be fit and fine. In this today's video lecture, we are going to discuss the proper usage of articles, definite as well as indefinite articles. Here is the proper beginning. So dear learners, indefinite articles are a and an. These two are indefinite articles. As we have learned in our earlier classes, a is used before a word starting with consonant sound. A word that starts with consonant sound, in front of that word we use a, like a cat, a ball, a table. So a cat, k is a consonant sound, b a consonant sound, and t a consonant sound. Therefore, we use a article with a cat, a ball, and a table. But NLC, LLB, MBBS, these three words are exceptional cases. Not only these three words, but there is a huge list of certain words, though they begin with consonant letter, but they are not giving consonant sound. So keep in mind there is a difference between consonant sound and consonant letters. NLC begins with consonant letter, but it begins with consonant sound. LLB begins with consonant letter, but gives it is giving us vowel sound. MBBS begins with consonant letter, but giving us vowel sound. So keep in mind vowel sounds or vowel sounds are not necessary that the word begin with a, e, I, o, u. And before a word starting with vowel sound, when a word starts with a vowel sound or vowel sound, we use an article. But here is a very exceptional case, like the u, letter of u can give us two sounds. Umbrella, in case of umbrella, it gives a sound of a, which is a vowel sound. In case of useful, word useful, it gives a sound of u, which is a consonant sound. So therefore you need to identify the sound of the word before using a and an article in the case of umbrella and useful. I am repeating the point once again. In the word umbrella, u is giving us the sound of a, which is a vowel sound. In the word of useful, the letter u gives a sound of u, useful, u, which is a consonant sound. Therefore, with umbrella we will say an umbrella. Useful, we will say a useful. The three words are mentioned once again: NLC, LLB, and MBBS. These three words are beginning with consonant letter, but they are giving us vowel sound: NLC, LLB, and MBBS. So you need to identify the correct pronunciation and the sound that a word gives us before usage of a and an article. Note that indefinite article a and an are always used with a singular noun. If they are used with a plural noun, it would be the faulty sentence. He killed a bird is the right sentence. He killed a birds will be the faulty or incorrect sentence, because a article is used with plural noun. Definite article the is always used when a noun represents a whole class. Look at the sentence. The lion is a brave animal. The cow is a useful animal. In the first sentence, the lion is a brave animal. It means one lion is representing the whole class of lion, the lion family. The cow represents in the sentence the whole class of the cow, the whole cows of the world. But using the with these words, it gives us the sense that lion means the whole family of lions, cow means the whole family of cow. So whenever a noun represents the whole class of the family, it is used with the articles. But don't say the men, the women. It is wrong to say the men, the women. Simply say man, women. Means the article is not used with man and women. The article is used with the names of oceans and seas. Means whenever you write or say the names, pronounce the names of oceans and seas, you need to use the article. The Pacific, the Indian, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Red Sea, the Caspian Sea, the Yellow Sea, the Black Sea, all these names will take the article with them. The names of rivers. The article is used with the names of rivers. The Indus, the Jhelum, the Chenab, the Mississippi River, the Roar River. The article is used with the names of the deserts. Whenever you write and say the names of deserts, the article will be used with them. You need to say the Gobi Desert, the Thar Desert, the Sahara Desert, and the article is used with the groups of islands, the Philippines, the West Indies. The names of mountainous ranges. The names of mountain ranges are always used with the article. Means you can use the article with the names of mountainous ranges, the Karakoram, the Himalayas, the Alps, etc. The article is used with the names of the holy books. We say the Holy Quran, the Gita, the Bible. But keep in mind, whenever these names are used as the name of the person, like the word Gita is also the name of a Hindu girl, so do not say the Gita. The Gita is a good girl is the incorrect sentence, because the Gita here, Gita is not the name of book, but here Gita is the name of a girl. The article is used with the things unique of their kinds, like the sky, the north, the earth, the moon, the sun. These are the things which are unique in their kinds, therefore the articles is used with them. The article is used before a proper noun when it is described with an adjective. When any proper noun is used with an adjective, the articles is used with it. But keep in mind, we do not use the article with any name of person like Milton and Shah Latif. If we say the Milton will be the wrong, if we say the Shah Latif will be the wrong. But these names are used with adjective. Adjective is used before these two names. Milton, the great Milton. The great Milton, the classical Shah Latif. So we have used the article with these adjectives, not with these nouns. We have used the classical and the great Milton. The article is used with a superlative degree of adjective. Whenever you use the superlative form of adjective, you need to use the article. The biggest, the tallest, the most beautiful, the most famous. The article is used with the ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are those numbers which shows us the position of any noun. We say the first, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, up to the infinite range. The article is used before a comparative degree. Whenever we use a comparative degree of adjective, we use the article before it. We say the higher you go, the cooler it is. Therefore, the article is used with both degrees of adjective. The comparative degree of adjective. The higher, the cooler. The smarter, the more famous. Okay, Allah Hafiz.